A brass rod of length 50 centimeters and diameter 3 millimeters is joined to a steel rod of same length and diameter. What is the change in length of the combined rod at 250 degrees centigrade if the original lengths are at 40 degrees centigrade? Is there a thermal stress developed at the junctions? The ends of the rod are free to expand. Coefficient of linear expansion of brass is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 and for steel is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5. These are the given values in the question, and now we have to see the change in length of the brass rod. That is equals to change in length is equals to length into the linear expansion into change in temperature. The change in length would come as 0.21 centimeters. Now for the steel rod, the change in length after putting the same formula is 0.126 centimeters. Therefore, the combined change in length would be 0.336 centimeters.